Call/text or email for more details. Kristy at rodeo.com 818-381-1792. Welcome to this amazing 4 bedrooms, 3 baths plus over 3,000 plus square foot home in the southern hills of Simi Valley. Downstairs features an open and spacious floor plan with the inviting living room with vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace. Step-up formal dining room leading to the fully remodeled large gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and plenty of cabinet space to enjoy. Also featuring 1 bedroom and 1 full bath and family room, which leads to the permitted sunroom and game room for extra enjoyment. The second floor features 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 of which have access to 2 large decks, including the master bedroom with vaulted ceilings, sitting area and master bath with dual sinks. As you walk out of the master bedroom onto the large deck, you will enjoy the peace and quiet with beautiful mountain views, city lights and beautifully designed backyard that is over 10,000 square feet. Originally designed by Wolf Bryman, City of Ventura landscape architect. The architecture of the house and over 900 square feet of decks blend harmoniously with the outdoor landscape. This one-of-a-kind home entertainer's home features beautiful outdoor and indoor activity areas with exquisite views of Runkle Canyon and Simi Hills. Nearby schools include